Hello guys! Today I'm going to do an unboxing of another Pandora. And this time, it's a bracelet. I'm so excited to do this unboxing. So let me show you the type of bracelet that I have in the box. It's from Shine Collection. And it's called Flower Stem Sliding Bangle Bola Bracelet. This is a non-charm, free-sized type of bracelet, and it's gold-plated. This can be adjusted by sliding the lock going inward or outward. This accent has 3 flower stems, hence the name. On this part, there are 6 CCs. It's a lightweight bracelet and I think it really looks pretty. So now, I'm trying it on. It's easy to put on even on your own. What you need to do is to hold the ends with the middle finger and then slide the lock going inward until you get the fit that's good for your wrist. So, this is how it looks like. It's so simple, yet so pretty. You can layer it with other bracelets or it can be also worn on its own. On this part of the lock, you would see the brand name Pandora is written. So that's it. Thank you for watching.